Hi everyone, this is Steve from SCOARTGLASS. Today I'm going to talk to you about pattern design. So this is a pattern I designed using a cat and a pig that I was giving to a colleague of mine for her birthday. So I took those two images and then I did a background around it, some sort of landscape or something, and then I came up with a color scheme. As you can see here, this gives me a good rendering of what it might look like when I'm done. And then I went and numbered all the pieces and then cut them all out. And then what you see on the table is all the pieces cut out and laid on the colors of glass. Next thing I do is I glue to the glass. Don't worry, the glue will come off after you cut and grind it and let it soak in the water. So basically, you take a piece of the glass and then you take the pattern and you put some glue on it through a glue stick. Just make sure you cover all the way to the edge so that way it sticks pretty good. And then once you've got it covered, then you just position it on the glass the way you want it and just make sure it's all down. And then now we'll just fast forward through the rest so you can see all the others. you glue all those pieces together. Well, this is the finished product of the Peppa the Pig project I did for my colleague. She has now hung this in her window at her house. She really enjoyed it, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video on design. Please ensure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.